Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to find Autosave folder on Camtasia Studio. Open Camtasia Studio on your computer. On the home screen, click on New Project. A blank editing workspace will appear. In the top menu bar, click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. A Preferences window will open. Click on the Program tab at the top. Under Autosave section, click on the button that says Open Autosave folder. This folder contains all the automatically saved project files. Copy the location from the File Explorer and save it in a Notepad document for future reference. This is how you can find Autosave folder on Camtasia Studio. Thank you for watching.